Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's going to be another cool night ahead, but moderating temperatures in our future and additional cloud cover. But I think we have another nice one, maybe 2 nice days ahead. And Saturday may not be half bad before we have a front on the way that's going to shift our weather back to a little bit of January for a day or two as we head into Sunday and Monday. First off, though, I've been playing with it all day long, and this is the utility I showed you yesterday showing you coastal erosion. It's called the Google Earth Engine Utility, and this is over a 32-year period. I'm zoomed in on southwestern Lafayette, and you can see how we have built over the last 30 years. You have Johnston Street here. It used to be just a lot of fields. Notice how everything's built along it. The same with Ambassador Caffrey. You see right here is where your Target goes up, and then your Lords, and then the building and River Ranch. So amazing. And this is kind of part of the problem that we have when it comes to heavy rainfall. We have urbanized so much over the last 30 years that a lot of this is now concrete, which used to be natural green areas. But I thought it was real interesting utility. If you missed it last night, I posted this particular image on my Facebook and Twitter feeds, and you can get the link. And once you get on it, you're going to play with it for at least 20 or 30 minutes and come back to it every day. I think that's going to be my MO for the next week, especially when the weather is good. I get to talk about stuff like that. High pressure in charge here locally. Got lots of energy back to the west. A little active subtropical jet stream here. That's going to start shooting high clouds at us starting tomorrow, but more clouds as we head into Friday. And then here's a kicker coming back through the west. Everything's going to move eastward and eventually drag a frontal boundary through our area as we head into the weekend. Now, across the area, generally fair skies, but checking some of the observations, we had a little bit of a marsh fire down by Grand Chenier, and that smoke has kind of moved to the north, seeing some haze over in the Jennings area. So we'll say a little patchy fog, haze, and smoke as you go farther to the west overnight tonight. All the way through tomorrow morning should be nice and cool. This model going into the upper 40s. I think 50 might be a good call, but wouldn't be surprised if we see upper 40s. And then a mostly sunny day tomorrow. You'll see some of those high clouds across the area from time to time, but it should be a lovely day. Cool again tomorrow night. Should head down into the 50s, but it's going to be a damp 50s because of that southeasterly flow coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. More clouds as we head into Friday. I got rain chance at 10%. Might be a few streamer showers between Baton Rouge and NOLA. That is typical when we see that return flow coming from the Gulf of Mexico. And as we head into Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy and warm, maybe an isolated shower with a little daytime heating, but the main action is going to be along this frontal boundary. That's going to be pushing on through as we head into Saturday night, it looks like. And then much cooler air, maybe some lingering light rain early Sunday, but this is the story as we head into Sunday, staying in the 50s after nearly hitting 80, we think, for Saturday. And then going into Monday, another disturbance coming in that may deliver a little rain. Tuesday of next week looks good, and then it's just a mishmash of computers gone wild. Both our long-range models on the European and the GFS not really showing a whole lot of definitive weather, but showing a little bit more in the way of moisture. As for moisture with this front, don't plan on a whole lot through Monday. We'll probably see maybe a quarter-inch of rain or less in spots, but then if it turns as wet as the model's looking toward the end of that 10-day period, we could add a little bit more significant rain to the area. Again, we're a little bit dry in portions of Acadiana because of the lack of rain, and we'll update you on the drought status tomorrow. Temperatures tonight, mid-40s northern parishes, upper 40s to near 50 I-10 corridor, and much the same as we get down to the coast. And after that cool start, we warm up nicely. Go about 76, 77 for the high tomorrow night. Not quite as cool. We duck down into the 50s, but we'll warm back up into the 70s for your Friday afternoon. So another pleasant evening, not quite as cool. Patchy fog, smoke, and haze to the west, as I mentioned. 50 the low in Lafayette, 77 the high tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. Nice breeze in the afternoon out of the south-southeast. And as we head into the weekend, temperatures warming up to near 80 Saturday. We'll keep most of Saturday dry, hopefully, with rain chances in the evening and overnight and lingering early Sunday. And we'll go from 80 on Saturday into the lower 40s by Monday night. So more big temperature swings before maybe things begin to level out as we head deeper into April.